horsey.
Did you tell Daddy thank you and I love you?
Think I love you.
Steve, she's trying to say it. She's just so excited.
I love horses. I love horses. I love you. I love horses. I love horses. I love horses. I love horses.
This is so good for blackmail when she gets older. I'll be putting them on YouTube so that way if you want to snag them.
How about I'm gonna play.